How to delete Windows Update files. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how you can remove Windows Update files to free up space on your PC. So now, without further ado, let's get started. First, right-click on the Windows Start icon. From the menu, click on File Explorer. Now, on the left-hand side, scroll down and click on this PC. After that, open the drive where Windows is installed, usually local disk C. Click on it to open. Now, scroll down and open the Windows folder. Inside the Windows folder, scroll again and find Software Distribution. Click to open it. Now open the Download folder inside it. Here, select all the files and simply delete them. Once done, go back to your desktop. Right-click on the Recycle bin. Click on Empty Recycle bin. Confirm by clicking Yes. And that's it, your unnecessary Windows Update files are now cleared, and you've freed up space on your system. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.